Hi people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make kaimati, but before we start, I would like you to like, to subscribe to my YouTube channel. We have kaimati today, and the ingredients it's all-purpose baking flour. We have yeast, we have salt, we have sugar, and we have oil plus water. And this is the cup that I'm going to use to measure my flour. I'll start. I'm going to use 2 cups to measure my flour. Now this is an all-purpose flour, and then I have yeast. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons. This is 1. This is 2 tablespoons of yeast. I'm also going to use salt, just a little. I'm also going to use sugar. I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of sugar. And then I'll serve. Make sure you stir it for all the ingredients to go everywhere. And then I'll start pouring water little by little. Until it softens. As you can see, it's now okay. It has softened. It's okay. Now I'm going to use a cling film to cover it for a period of 45 minutes, and then I put it in a place where there is where it's hot, or it's having a room temperature for it to be able to rise. Let me have my cling film. And then you will cover it. Oops. You'll cover it for the yeast. I'm sorry about that. We're going to cover it for a period of 45 minutes, and then you put it in a place where there is some hotness, for the yeast to be able to act and even be able to rise. After covering it with a cling film, you can also be able to use a cloth or a towel to cover it. I'm going to put it here for a period of 45 minutes, and then I'll come back and check it. Okay viewers, now I've lit my gas, And then I'm going to use this sapphire, and then I will be able to pour my oil. And give it some time for it to be able to get hot. Let me open this. You can use any type of oil that you have. This is a simple Kaimati, which you can be able to try and do it at your home and get the nice Kaimatis. I leave it for some time for it to be able to get hot, and the 45 minutes are over. I'm going to remove my Kaimati from where I had placed it so that I can be able to see if it has risen. Come with me, let us check it. Let me close this first. Yes, it has risen. It's okay. As you can see, it got risen. My oil is ready. I'm going to use some onions to fry it, and so that I can be able to get a nice smell. I just need a nice smell. That's the reason why I'm using my onions. I'm going to be able to use it, the red onions, so that you can be able to get a nice smell of your Kaimati. I've just fried it, so it's now okay. I can be able to start. You can apply oil on something that you're going to use to make your Kaimatis. I'm applying oil on my end so that it does not stick to the flour when you're using it. You make sure you put it well so that they do not touch each other. As you can see, our Kaimati is ready. I'm going to use it I'm going to put it on a plate that has a serviette for the oil to be able to dry up. As you can see, our Kaimati is ready. It's a simple recipe that you can be able to try at your home. I'll be able to try to cut one so that you can be able to see it. It's it's nice, it's soft. You can be able to try it at your home so that you can be able to get the same result. For more updates, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You subscribe so that you can be able to get more updates whenever I upload. Thank you for your time. #stay home, #stay safe. Bye.